How's it going here, future voters of Sean Gannon, future president of the United States of America, and I have a hot tub issue. It's deflated. Well, not all of it, just the top part right there. Top part deflated. You can see that there. That means the little bladder that goes right there is out of air. And I need that for installation. Now, it's not too bad. We can hopefully see. It's still running. You can hopefully zoom in there. I'll show it in a second. Take a photo of it. And it's been a whole temperature. So my plan is to take that bladder out, clean it, find the hole. I already found one hole from before. It didn't really seal right, but I have a better way to do it. And I'm gonna use some shoe goo to fix that. I saw a video online doing that. So I'm gonna show you my process of doing that, and let's get after it. All right, so you can see I have it draped over here, just letting it dry a little bit. This is where the hole was last time, where I made my mistake, thinking I could just patch with a little duct tape and a little glue, but then let it give it time to seal. So now I'm gonna try the better way to do it. So let's see. All right, so right there is where I got a little hole. If you can see that, probably not. A little bit right there. All right, so I got some shoe goo. It's a little colder than they recommend, but I think it's gonna be fine. Gotta pop the cap here. 1 second off camera. Pop it. All right. So now I'm gonna switch hands. All right, so I'm just gonna apply some shoe goo, kind of put it in there and see what happens. Squeeze it out. I think people online said not too much. Just kind of let it get in there. And there we go. All right. All right. So there's a glob of shoe goo. I'm gonna probably move this so it's more flat now. I had already washed this, so I kind of put some soapy water, cleaned it out, put some, dried it off, whatever. So I'm actually gonna go flatten this out right now, and so it doesn't drip off the edge onto my deck. All right, so I ended up taking this and putting it in my basement because it was getting too cold last night for the shoe goo. But I put 2 layers on, I put an extra one on, and it seems pretty attached to the bladder here. So now I am going to inflate this and see if I hear any leaks. So, or especially from this spot. All right, so I filled it up. This thing's not leaking, we're good. But I have to deflate it to put it in that bladder or that cover, or it won't fit. You have to inflate it in that cover. One thing I did notice though, overnight it had a really hard time keeping temperature and heating up without this bladder in it. So clearly this is important. All right, time to put it in that bad boy, inflate it, and get it back in the hot tub. All right, so I can confirm that shoe goo works in patching up holes on that hot tub right there. Worked for the bladder. I'm sure it would work for the side, but if it happens, I'll try it. I've seen people online use shoe goo for the side of the hot tub, to the top, but either way, I think it's gonna work. So again, I'll put a link in the description to the shoe goo I used, and hopefully it works for you if you have that same issue. But it's good to know that if the hot tub gets a hole in it, you can repair it and don't have to buy a new one. This is Sean Gannon, future president of the United States of America, signing off.